Have a question and want to ask an Ent representative? You can securely message an Ent employee while logged into Ent's digital banking. To do this, click Self-Service, Messages, and select Compose a Message. Then you can select your topic that best fits your needs, type in your problem, and your message. You can also attach a file if you need to do so. From here, you can click Send if you're ready. How will you know if they have responded? You will receive a notification here, or you can just check your inbox. You also have your outbox, so any messages that you have sent will be stored here, and if you haven't completed a message, you will see it here so you can continue to work on it. Thanks for using Ent's digital banking and for being an owner member.